Emsella is a treatment for the entire pelvic floor. This HIFEM technology, which is electromagnetic stimulation, is in a chair that the patient sits on. This is appropriate for men and women who want more control in their pelvic floor region. The electromagnetic stimulation can create 69 hours of kegels. Imagine that equivalent, 69 hours of kegels in a 28-minute Emsella treatment. This is ideal for people who have had children, for women who have had babies, and maybe have a little bit of, or a lot of incontinence issues, or anybody that just wants a little bit of rejuvenation in the pelvic area. There are actually two settings. There is a setting that is appropriate for incontinence, which is when you pee when you sneeze, or you're getting up all night to run to the restroom. And there is also an advanced setting that is specifically for the vaginal tightening.